So hi Shraddha.
Hi.
So your biggest inspiration to pursue this nutritionist career, what do you think?
Well, I will say it was myself. I have always been a heavy kid. So I was between overweight and obesity grade 1 category. So I always tried a lot of diets, but nothing really worked. So as soon as I gave up on those diets, the weight kept coming back. So I realized this is not going to work. Hence, I thought it's important that I study nutrition and spread authentic nutrition to help people like me who really need proper guidance.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when you have completed this, you must have started, consulting all the clients.
Yes.
So what all aspects you consider when you suggest or consult any client?
See, first thing it's very important to understand जब आप किसी nutritionist के पास जा रहे हो, is she qualified? It's very, very important because आजकल आप देखोगे fitness influencers है, खुद का transformation कर लिया and they keep guiding people which is not correct.
Correct.
So the first thing that I will suggest if anybody is actually consulting for a diet, that they consult a qualified nutritionist. Okay. So when a qualified nutritionist will ask you questions, they will understand what is your dietary recall, what is your lifestyle looking like, do you have any medical conditions, how do you spend your entire day, do you have any stress, what are your likes, what are your dislikes, food habits, any supplements you're taking, any medications you're taking, and accordingly they'll do their background calculations and then give you a food plan.
Correct.
Yeah.
So nowadays, even I'm watching all these reels where I can see some person is saying something, and at the same point,
Yes.
another person is saying opposite to that.
Yes.
So many people are confused, I think,
Agreed, because see, nutrition is a science in itself. So you will see a lot of these people who are self-proclaimed nutritionists. Yeah. So when I say it's a science, there are people like us who've studied 3 to 5 years only doing nutrition. Yeah. So if somebody is from a commerce background or an arts background and they've done like a 2-month, 3-month course and they say I'm a nutritionist, how on earth are you going to understand the deep science of nutrition? नहीं possible है. So अगर कोई बंदा ये कहता है मैंने 3 महीना न्यूट्रिशन की पढ़ाई किया है, मैं आपको डाइट दे दूंगा. How? तो हमने कैसे 3 साल, so there will obviously be a difference between someone जिसने 3 साल पढ़ाई किया है या 5 साल पढ़ाई किया है as opposed to somebody जिसने कुछ महीने पढ़ाई किया है.
Correct.
Right. So again, अगर आप कोई कोर्स कर रहे हो, it is important to understand आप कौन से यूनिवर्सिटी से कर रहे हो, जो आपको सिखा रहे हैं क्या वो रिसर्च बेस्ड साइंस सिखा रहे हैं, बिकॉज अदरवाइज जो आप सीख रहे हो इट इज अ टिप ऑफ द आइसबर्ग.
So where you studied?
So I did my clinical dietetics from SNDT University, Juhu.
Okay.
And I went on to study Masters in Food Science from the same university.
Got it. So what is the highest qualification in the nutritionist background?
In any field, the highest qualification is PhD.
Oh.
So I did graduation, masters, and then there's also PhD, which I couldn't pursue further.
Okay.
So
Okay.
yes.
So when we are talking about people are confused because of the content what they are consuming nowadays on social media.
Yes.
So what do you think a normal guy should maintain a healthy lifestyle? What that can why I will say a recipe, basic recipe what one should follow.
So again, these so-called nutritionists today, they prefer extreme diets. You go zero carbs, high fat, high protein. I am not saying all this is wrong. What I believe in is you don't have to go extreme. As long as आप balanced diet follow कर रहे हो, 45 to 15 minutes physical activity कर रहे हो, अब इसमें भी आप जिम जा रहे हो, योगा कर रहे हो, वॉकिंग कर रहे हो, doesn't matter. 45 to 55 minutes physical activity करो. स्लीप का ध्यान रखो. हमारा स्लीप स्केड्यूल बहुत ख़राब है आजकल.
Yeah.
So उस चीज़ का ध्यान रखना है. एटलीस्ट 6 to 8 hours of proper sleep चाहिए. स्ट्रेस का ध्यान रखना है. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इज हाइड्रेशन. बहुत बार ऐसे होता है द क्लाइंट इज थर्स्टी बट द सिग्नल टू द ब्रेन इज आई वांट टू हैव समथिंग. तो उस चक्कर में हम खा लेते हैं. So
Seriously? This is something new.
yes,
Can you
yes.
explain more about
I'll
it?
tell you. So what happens is, कभी भी आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि मुझे भूख लगी है, have a glass of water.
Okay.
50% of the times you'll realize अब भूख चली गई because it was not भूख, वो प्यास थी. Those signals are so similar.
So this always happens with me when I'm working. You know, at 4 to 6 o'clock, I always get hungry, and of course, I eat something by 4 o'clock. Again, 6 o'clock, I have to have something.
Okay.
Is that something like, again, it's related to
See,
hydration?
4 to 6 का जो time है, that is actually a time when people feel hungry because you've had your lunch between 1:32 and your dinner is at say 8-9.
Okay.
Problem with us is कि हम उस बीच में कुछ नहीं खाते. It is very important to have something, some small meal, whatever is allowed.
You know, when people say कि after every 3 hours, 2 hours, you should have something. So when maximum people doesn't carry any healthy food or something, so how someone should maintain, like?
So again, see, it really depends on what your nutrition needs are, what your goal is. Accordingly, it will be decided what you're supposed to eat. But yes, if you're not able to carry, because इतने सारे टिफिन कैसे कैरी करो, हम ट्रेन में ट्रैवल करते हैं, it's very difficult to carry so many tiffins. What I usually suggest is you keep some packets ready. Now these packets will not be Maggi or something ready to eat, ready to cook. No,
Correct.
you keep basic things like sukha chana. You keep some dry fruits. You keep some popcorn. You know. So, of course, there are a lot of these things that you can carry, or you just carry some cucumber, tomatoes, cut it fresh and have it. Or just carry eggs, have egg whites if allowed, egg yolks, whatever is your
To
goal.
carry.
Yes, yes.
Correct.
So, it is not difficult. It's just that you need to plan a little better.
Again, discipline is very important.
Yes,
And
absolutely,
consistency and discipline.
absolutely, yes.
Whenever people come to you, you know, for the consultancy, so what all, weird question they asked?
There are so many. I cannot even start. So, people have unrealistic expectations that if you go to a nutritionist, there's a magic wand. And, magic ho jayega. Achanak se I want to lose a lot of weight. So, first thing is, I want to lose 10 kgs in a month. But I don't want to give up on carbs. I don't want to give up on sugar. Yeah, मुझे किसी का शादी में जाना है, अच्छा ड्रेस में फिट होना है in 2 months. But I'm not ready to work out. मुझे 6 packs चाहिए in 3 months naturally.
Naturally.
I want to become size 0. So, of course, these goals are attainable. But then, uske sath timelines have to be realistic. You cannot say in 3 months. And then you cannot say, I want to get these results, but I'm not ready to follow a proper diet or to do exercise. Thoda sa, if you've been doing what you are doing, how will you get the results?
Correct.
तो result आ जाता.
So it's like ये एक marathon है. This is not a sprint of 100
No,
meters.
in fact, I always tell my clients, fitness is a journey. It is not a destination.
Correct.
And as you age, this journey gets a little difficult. It's like you're going on a hill. आप uphill चढ़ रहे हो. Okay. Usually what people do is, मेरा 5 kg loss का goal है. Okay, मैंने 5 kg loss कर लिया. Now I know I've attained my goal. I will keep eating. अब मैं workout नहीं जाऊँगी. मैं खाना खाना चालू करूँगी. What is going to happen? You're going to bounce back.
Correct.
So आप जो हिल चढ़ रहे थे, वहाँ पे आपने ब्रेक ले लिया और आप वापस पीछे आ गए. तो फिटनेस इज समथिंग जहाँ पे आपको कॉन्शियसली ये ध्यान रखना है कि आप हमेशा एक हिल चढ़ रहे हो. जितना ज़्यादा आपका एज बढ़ते जाएगा, आपका मेटाबॉलिज्म ड्रॉप होते जाएगा. सो यू हैव टू, वो जो जर्नी है वो और स्टीप होते जाएगा. You have to be extra careful.
So do you get calls like, I want to eat this now. What do you think, Shraddha? Should I go for it?
Of course.
Sure.
And once in a while it's okay.
That's it.
See, because we are all humans. And we want to, have foods that we like. And once in a while, it is all okay. What I actually believe in is कि आप जो diet कर रहे हो, okay, that diet has to be sustainable. मतलब आपने आज मुझे बोला कि मैं ये पर्टिकुलर डाइट फॉलो कर रहा हूँ, ओके, क्या ये डाइट आप मरने तक कर पाओगे? अगर आप मरने तक वो डाइट नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो डोंट स्टार्ट इट.
No, start it.
That is my funda. let's say you love chocolates, so जरूरी नहीं है कि आप without chocolate रहो. Once in a week or once in 15 days, of course you're allowed to eat. What do you like? But again, that depends when you're supposed to eat it, with what you are eating, what time of the day you're eating. All that is very important.
So, Sandha, what is the difference between weight loss and fat loss?
So, weight. When we say weight, it is everything in your body. It is fat, it is muscles, bones, organs, blood, all your fluids, hair, nail, everything. हर किसी का weight is called as weight. Okay. When we say fat, it is only fat weight of the body. So when people say weight loss, it could be water loss, it could be muscle loss. It not necessarily only be fat loss. So जब हम fat loss की बात करते हैं, वो जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम फैट लॉस कैसे कर रहे हैं. तो इस वजह से हम बॉडी कॉम्पोजिशन एनालिसिस करते हैं. बॉडी कॉम्पोजिशन एनालिसिस हमें बताता है कि आपके बॉडी में कितना फैट है, कितना मसल है, बेस्ड ऑन BIA टेक्नोलॉजी. ओके, बायो इलेक्ट्रिकल इम्पेडेंस एनालिसिस करके एक टेस्ट होता है जो आप वो मशीन पे रुकते हो फॉर अ फ्यू सेकेंड्स एंड देन वो आपका रिपोर्ट देता है बेस्ड ऑन सर्टेन एनालिसिस. ओके, अभी उसमें पता चलता है आपका मसल कितना है, फैट कितना है. सो जब आप स्टार्ट करते हो कोई डाइट या कोई वर्कआउट, उसके पहले ये एनालिसिस करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एवरी 15 to 20 days इसको रिपीट करना ज़रूरी है. I'll tell you why. There are some nutritionists who will tell you मेरा डाइट फॉलो करते वक्त आप वेट ट्रेनिंग नहीं कर सकते.
Why?
Exactly why? Because when you weight train, you put on muscles. Muscles वेट बढ़ाता है क्यों? क्योंकि वो वाटर होल्ड करता है. सो मसल वेट इज ऑलवेज हेवियर देन योर फैट वेट. सो अगर आप कोई डाइट फॉलो कर रहे हो, साथ में वर्कआउट कर रहे हो, चांसेस है कि स्केल पे ना दिखे. सो चांसेस है कि ये जो डाइट आ रहा है आपके पास वो मसल लॉस डाइट है. मसल लॉस करना बहुत ईजी है रोहित.
Okay.
आई पुट यू ऑन फास्टिंग फॉर 3 days, ऐसे मसल लॉस दिखेगा.
हो जाएगा. Correct.
I put you on no salt diet, ऐसे रिजल्ट दिखेगा because water loss हो गया.
Correct.
That was not my goal, but the goal should be ideally अगर आप 5 kg fat loss कर रहे हो, उसमें शायद आधा किलो मसल लॉस होगा भी, but it is okay. मेरा गोल है कि क्लाइंट को मैं सिर्फ फैट लॉस दूँ. Keeping you on fasting and losing your muscles, put you on that scale is very easy. You will get results in 3 days. You'll be happy. I'll make money.
Okay.
What's important is to check your analysis. इसलिए ये जो हम टेस्ट करवाते हैं उससे इनफैक्ट हम सिर्फ ये नहीं चेक करते कि आपका वेट, आपका मसल लॉस हुआ है या मसल गेन हुआ है, फैट लॉस हुआ है. नो, उससे हम बहुत सारे मेडिकल कंडीशंस भी समझ सकते हैं. उसके ऊपर हम अलग से पॉडकास्ट कर सकते हैं डिटेल कि क्या जान सकते हैं.
Can you please tell me about sugar? मतलब बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि sugar avoid करना चाहिए. So many people are talking about sugar nowadays.
Yes.
When every product brand,
Yeah,
packaging brands are saying there's no sugar, no sugar. So can you please tell me like how impactful sugar in our life?
See, when we say sugar, it is a derivative of carbohydrates. Now, आजकल अगर हम देखेंगे बहुत सारे लोग कहते हैं कार्बोहाइड्रेट इज आवर एनिमी. इट इज़ नॉट आवर एनिमी. यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि मॉडरेशन में कैसे लेके चलना है उसको. तो कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स में भी हाई ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स होते हैं, लो ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट होते हैं. तो ग्लाइसेमिक इंडेक्स बहुत शॉर्ट में अगर आपको मैं समझाना है मुझे, आप कोई भी कार्बोहाइड्रेट खा रहे हो, वो खाने के बाद कितने टाइम में आपका ब्लड ग्लूकोज लेवल बढ़ रहा है. So when I say you are eating bread, white bread, वो खाने से sugar level immediately shoots up, which means it is high GI और high glycemic index carbohydrate. अगर उसका sugar level जल्दी बढ़ रहा है, what sugar does is it goes and gets stored. जो extra sugar है, okay, पहले तो हमारे brain के लिए काम आता है, energy के लिए काम आता है, और जो extra है, it gets stored in your muscle and liver in the form of glycogen. एक chain बन जाता है ग्लूकोज का. वो हमें आगे अगर हम फास्टिंग स्टेट में है तो वो हमें एनर्जी देने का काम करता है. बट इफ इट इज एक्सेस, आपका लिवर फुल है, आपका मसल फुल है, मसल ने वर्कआउट ही नहीं किया, कुछ आप पड़े हो, उस मसल का कोई काम नहीं हुआ है, लिवर ने कोई दिया ही नहीं कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन, तो क्या होगा? दिस इज एक्स्ट्रा फॉर योर बॉडी. इट देन गेट्स स्टोर्ड एज फैट. सो देन अगर आपका गोल है फैट लॉस, मैं ये नहीं कह सकती आप जीरो कार्ब डाइट पे रहो. मैं आपको ये कहूँगी कि आप कार्बोहाइड्रेट खाओ in the required amount, but the type of carbohydrate will be low GI.
Okay.
Let's say salad. सैलड खाने से शुगर तुरंत बढ़ेगा ही नहीं, वो बहुत रेगुलेटेड क्वांटिटी में बढ़ रहा है.
इसमें कैन यू टेल मी अबाउट राइस, लाइक सो मेनी पीपल से चावल खाने से वेट बढ़ेगा,
yes.
रात को नहीं खाना चाहिए. कैन यू प्लीज एक्सप्लेन लाइक अबाउट राइस? लाइक
See, rice, white rice, brown rice, again, it doesn't have a very low GI. Okay, so what is the fault? Now, I have clients who are from South India or who are from Northeast. They cannot have rotis. They need to have rice. So you can't say you don't have rice. Yeah, once in a week they can have rice. But what is important is A, the amount of rice going in. What are you having it with? What I usually tell my clients is, you have a khichdi instead of having rice. खिचड़ी इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ दाल एंड राइस. प्रोटीन जो है वो आपका जीआई थोड़ा कम करता है, मॉडिफाई करने में मदद करता है. सो क्वांटिटी ऑफ राइस हैज टू बी लो, ऑफ दाल हैज टू बी लिटिल हायर. और बेटर करना है उसको वेजिटेबल खिचड़ी बनाओ. वेजिटेबल्स आ गए, फाइबर आया, फाइबर और कंट्रोल करेगा. और बेटर, हम पानी में कुक करते हैं, आप उसको छाछ में कुक करो. प्रोटीन, ईट इट विथ व्हाट? सिर्फ खिचड़ी नहीं खाना है ना, मुझे उसके साथ कुछ और खाना है. मैं उसके साथ वेजिटेबल रायता देती हूँ. रायता आया, प्रोटीन और आ गया. वेजिटेबल रायता मतलब कच्चा वेजिटेबल्स या वेरी हाई ऑन फाइबर. चालू करो रायता के साथ, उसके साथ ही खिचड़ी खाओ, नो प्रॉब्लम.
Wow, that was a good idea. So, is there any common diet which you can suggest to all our viewers?
See, I will say, okay, ये जो word diet है, now I will say using this word is wrong in itself. Diet means what? Diet is food. You're always on a diet since the time you were born.
Okay.
जब आपका बर्थ हुआ था, you were on a breast milk diet. Then you were on a weaning diet. Then you were on a semi-solid. And अभी हम solid diet पे है. So what is diet? You've been on a diet forever. So I may actually have to say I am on a low carb diet. I'm on a high protein diet. You know?
इसमें डाइट का मतलब क्या होता है मालूम? जैसे कि if I want to start eating healthy,
Yeah.
that is diet.
Yeah.
So many people say that.
Exactly.
मैं अभी healthy खाने जा रहा हूँ, so that means I am
On a
on
diet.
diet.
You are forever on a diet. You need to understand that you are consciously making efforts to have a particular type of diet. Okay? Now, to answer your question, what type of diet someone has to follow? Now, there is no one size fits all. I really have to understand what are your requirements, what is your lifestyle currently. आप वर्कआउट कर रहे हो, नहीं कर रहे हो, what is your dietary approach towards food, all that, and then I have to give you. And आपको मैंने डाइट दिया, you चिपकाओ that to your friend, उसको रिजल्ट नहीं आएगा.
But nowadays so many does that, they have easy access to social media. They get so many content like this,
Right.
and they start following the same diet what other person is doing it.
And they don't get
results.
Initially, yes. Maybe a kg or two, yes. Google से डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. Why are they qualified nutritionists, right?
Correct.
अगर गूगल से ही रिजल्ट आना था तो लोग हमारे पास क्यों आते हैं? Right? So diet has to be a food plan. I always call it a food plan.
Food plan.
A food plan always has to be curated and tailor-made for each individual for their needs.
So when we say food, so what do you think Indian, dishes or food are, maybe very healthy? So many people say that Indian
Absolutely.
food is very healthy.
Absolutely.
How, can you?
So I'll tell you what. There was a research done, and they proved that हमारा जो typical Indian थाली है, it is rated number 1 in the world in terms of a balanced diet.
Wow.
So if you look at our Indian thali, okay, so there's rice or roti on the plate. मतलब carbs आ गया. There is some vegetable. There is some curd, dahi, chash. So dairy product आ गया. There is dal or rajma or some sprouts. So the legumes category comes in. If you're a non-vegetarian, non-veg होता है आपके plate पे. There's some salad, there's papad, there's pickle, which is oil. And then there is some sweet and a glass of water. सारे फूड ग्रुप्स वो प्लेट पे प्रेजेंट है. बट अगर वो रिक्वायर्ड प्रपोर्शन में है तो हम उसे बैलेंस डाइट कहते हैं. So I am a firm believer of eating locally grown and available fruits and vegetables. You don't need to go fancy. So आजकल बहुत चल रहा है
बहुत चल
western foods.
Organic.
Organic,
When we say organic, so is it really organic?
If they are claiming, then maybe yes. But when I say organic, yes, it really affects your health because जो fertilizers, pesticides use होते हैं or for that matter, hormone injections लगाए जाते हैं to a lot of these fruits and coloring add होता है, wax add होता है. So yes, if it is grown, if you have that space, आप अगर farming कर सकते हो और वो available है, please go for it. If not, then try. If you have the money, you buy organic stuff. If not, then proper washing of fruits, vegetables, proper blanching अगर किसी चीज़ का ज़रूरी है to remove that extra toxins or that. So जितना हो सके उतना हम ध्यान रख सकते हैं. उससे ज़्यादा तो you can't really do anything. Yeah.
Is it really important that we should include protein in our daily
Of course. See, protein. आप वर्कआउट कर रहे हो नहीं कर रहे हो, प्रोटीन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
See, because why I'm asking is because people don't count their protein intake because so many times what happens in Indian culture, your mom cooks, and when your mom cooks, it's never been like how much protein or how much carb. She's just giving you love, right?
Yes.
And when it comes to love, it's your tummy has to be full, right?
Yes.
And that then discount and everything go aside.
Right.
So why it is very important, that everyone should understand this, even though nowadays each and every child have access to the mobile and everyone is like know much more better, about protein. But how can they control? Say example, I'll give a small example. When so now I've shifted with my wife. When I was with my mother, so my mom used to cook, and I never said कि मम्मी मुझे यही दे. She used to give me whatever it was.
Right.
When it comes to my diet and say protein intake and everything, it was very difficult for me to cook by going in the kitchen.
Right.
So how someone can maintain their protein intake?
So I'll tell you what, when it comes to Indian diets, we are usually very low on proteins, especially if you're a pure vegetarian. So in that case, yes, you may have to take certain protein substitutes, certain supplements. Right now, especially if you're working out, आपका workout बहुत heavy है और आपका requirement ज़्यादा है, sometimes people hesitate to take whey protein supplements also. Because, अगर आप whey protein लेके body बना रहे हो, then people say ये powder body है, ये natural नहीं है. So I'll tell you what, हम जब छोटे थे, okay, we started eating solid foods. हमें सेरेलैक दिया गया था. फिर थोड़े बड़े हुए, फिर हमें हॉर्लिक्स कॉम्प्लान दिया जाता था. ये सब क्या है? ये भी पाउडर है ना. पर ये क्यों दिया? बिकॉज आप जो खा रहे थे वो इनफ नहीं था फॉर योर ग्रोथ. So then you are also powder body. Everybody is a powder body. Right?
Nice.
But
Point.
right now, if I am working out, my body, my muscles require food. The food for my muscle is protein. मैं डाइट से नहीं ले पा रही हूँ उतना प्रोटीन, तो मैं क्या करूँ? To make sure कि मेरे मसल को उतना प्रोटीन मिले, I have to take a supplement. अभी कितना लेना है? प्रॉब्लम किधर आता है? दैट लोग सोचे समझे बगैर बहुत सारा प्रोटीन ले लेते हैं, 2 स्कूप 3 स्कूप इन अ डे, विच मे नॉट बी रिक्वायर्ड. सो कितना लेना है, किसके साथ लेना है, कब लेना है, किसको नहीं लेना है, उसके साथ क्या ध्यान रखना है, वो सब बहुत ज़रूरी है. बट टेकिंग अ प्रोटीन सप्लीमेंट इज नॉट रॉन्ग.
When it comes to lose your weight, how fast someone can lose their weight?
I'll tell you what, when it comes to weight loss or fat loss per se, researchers say that if you're a normal healthy person, you can lose anywhere between 500 to 700 grams per week, which means you should lose 2 kg to 3 kg, maximum of 4 kg per month. 4 का 4.5 भी आप कर सकते हो in a month. But let's say you have certain conditions like hypothyroidism. Then आपका metabolism slow है. So then per week, what you can lose is 500 to 700 grams max. which will bring you to a 2 to 3 kg a month. So anything more than that is considered unhealthy, and it will not be sustainable weight loss.
And when it comes to weight loss, how much protein is important part of that journey? Because when I used to do when I was on my particular diet, so that time I used to have maximum protein my calorie content, and that time it was very important for me to lose weight. So what is that balance, carbs and protein?
See, I'll tell you, it's not just carbs and protein. हम यहाँ पे मिस्टेक करते हैं. So when we talk about nutrition, you have macronutrients, you have micronutrients. Macro will be carbohydrate, protein, fat, but micro will be all your vitamins, minerals, fiber and water. So ये सबका balance लेके चलना है. We focus majorly on carb खाया, fat खाया, protein खाया, but the micronutrients are spared. They are your support nutrients. जब तक वो in place नहीं है, आपका result कहीं ना कहीं अटक जाएगा. Because आपके we also have to understand nutrition और हमारा जो body वो biochemistry बहुत अलग है. Okay, so उसमें बहुत सारी ऐसे cycles चलते रहते हैं constantly in our body. अगर एक nutrient की कमी है, वो cycle अटक जाएगी. So it is very, very important to have a proper balanced meal.
So when I was in my journey of losing my weight, so I never took any nutritionist consultancy. So is it really, really important for someone who wants to go into this journey to get the consultancy from the nutritionist?
Like I said earlier, it is important to consult a qualified nutritionist because they have studied athletes को कैसे nutrition देना है, कोई वर्कआउट कर रहा है उसका न्यूट्रिशन क्या रहेगा. सो जब आप किसी को कंसल्ट करते हो, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है आपका गोल क्या है, उस हिसाब से यू आस्क देयर क्वालिफिकेशंस. But I will tell you, it is important. Maybe they will charge you a little extra because they've invested so much, then the knowledge is better. Do not go to a quack. There's we have one of our very renowned professor who has actually started this journey जहाँ पे all the nutrition fraternity, अगर हमें लगता है कोई quack है, quack is the so-called fitness influencer without nutrition knowledge. If they say something, we actually tag them. Because nutrition fraternity में ऐसा कोई body नहीं है जो उनका there's no license, they're just doing it. So there's nobody who can actually stop spread of this inauthentic, जो knowledge जा रहा है बाहर. And it is very misleading for the common man. उनको लगता है, oh, that person is fit, means they know everything. It may not necessarily be.
So many people go to the person who is fit or who have done this.
जिसने खुद का ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन किया
2-3 किलो कम किए, उनके पास जाते हैं और वहाँ से
20 किलो 25 किलो भी कम किया. However they must have done it. Okay, it's I applaud their efforts, but that doesn't give you the license to actually suggest diets to somebody.
Correct.
That is the problem. I have done it, you can also do it. No, it doesn't work like that. आपने हार्ट सर्जरी करवाई, आप हार्ट सर्जन नहीं बन सकते.
Correct.
Similarly, आपने ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन किया, good for you, but that doesn't give you the license to give diets to somebody.
So when it comes to women, women are struggling with so many things.
Yes.
Physically, mentally, because of their hormones or so many things.
Absolutely.
So what you can suggest a basic funda to stay healthy and stay, fit?
So I'll tell you what, problem with women, especially married women, is that their focus is only on the family. Family comes first. They always put themselves last. आपने अगर आपके मॉम को देखा होगा, मेरे मॉम का सेम प्रॉब्लम है, वो हम सबका ध्यान रखेंगे, खुद का सबसे लास्ट रखेंगे. So it becomes very important, A, for them to prioritize their health, B, for the other family members to put them first. अगर वो हमारा ध्यान रख रहे हैं, हमने कितनी बार उनको ग्लास ऑफ मिल्क दिया हाथ में कि आप पहले लो. Because we are so busy in our lives also, no? We forget that somebody who's taking care of us, she also needs to be taken care of.
Yeah.
Because she's not going to do that for herself, right? So जो बच्चा कुछ खाना है वो भी खा लेंगे, फेंकना क्यों है? She will not cook specifically for herself, even though उन्हें पता है शायद उनको हाइपोथायरॉइड है, उनको menopause है या उनको anemia. These are very common problems when it comes to women. PCOS है. So ये सारी common medical conditions है which women face more than men, right? But what are they doing about it? Not much.
Not much.
A, they need to take care. B, we have to take care. So yes, there are certain rules that we have to put in the house. That if we are working out, we will take that time for her also. हमारा टिफिन 10 मिनट लेट बना चलेगा. You come out, walk with me. आप मेरे साथ चलो fresh air में, right? If I'm having a glass of milk, you sit with me and have that glass of milk.
I think it's a good idea, better than talking about just nutrition or food. This is a fundamental thing. If anyone
Yes.
does,
Yes,
the problem will get solved.
agreed.
This is very well said, yeah, Shraddha.
Thank you.
Yeah. So again, when it comes to women, I would like to talk about more thyroid. I have seen so many women are struggling with this problem.
Yes.
So how someone can, take care of it or can face it?
First thing is to detect thyroid हुआ है.
Okay.
How do you detect it? Now, thyroid में most of us feel weight बढ़ा तो thyroid है. But thyroid has two problems. One is hypo and another one is hypo. Thyroid gland जो है ना यहाँ पे neck में होता है, butterfly shape का एक organ होता है. उसका काम है thyroid glands produce करना और हमारा जो metabolism है उसको कंट्रोल करना. मेटाबॉलिज्म मीन्स बैठे बैठे आप कितना कैलोरी एक दिन में बर्न कर रहे हो. दैट्स योर BMR, बेसिक मेटाबॉलिक रेट. अब अगर आपको हाइपोथायरॉयडिज्म है तो आपका BMR स्लो होते जाएगा. मतलब आप जो खा रहे हो वो अक्यूमुलेट हो रहा है, आप बर्न नहीं कर पा रहे हो उतना नेचुरली. यस, सो आपका वेट गेन हो जाता है. व्हेन वी से वेट गेन, टिपिकली अगर आपको उसे डिटेक्ट करना है, एक महीने में 5-6 kgs गेन हो जाना. अचानक से वेट गेन हो रहा है एंड यू डोंट नो व्हाई. अचानक से तो आप बहुत कुछ नहीं खाओगे, अचानक से तो आप वर्कआउट करना बंद नहीं करोगे. इट इज़ अ ग्रेजुअल थिंग. बट अगर ऑल ऑफ अ सडन यू स्टार्ट सीइंग अ लॉट ऑफ वेट गेन, देन इट इज़ हाइपोथायरॉयडिज्म. एंड अगर आप एक महीने में 7-8 किलो वेट लॉस देख रहे हो, देन इट इज़ टिपिकली हाइपोथायरॉयडिज्म. नाउ व्हेन इट कम्स टू थायरॉयड, बिकॉज वो हार्मोनल प्रॉब्लम है, उसको आपने मेडिसिन से ही ठीक करना है. यू हैव टू स्टार्ट मेडिकेशन. यस, ऑफ कोर्स अलोंग विद दैट थायरॉयड टॉक्सिन जो थायरॉयड को टॉक्सिक करने वाले जो फूड्स है उसको अवॉइड करना है. सो व्हेन वी से दीज फूड्स, द एंटायर फ्लावर फैमिली, कॉलीफ्लावर, कैबेज, ब्रोकली,
इनको अवॉइड करना है.
हो सके तो अवॉइड करो, ना हो सके तो रेयरली खा सकते हैं. ओके, क्योंकि उसमें जो सल्फर है वो डैमेज करता है थायरॉयड को, राइट?
Okay.
देन पीनट्स टू अवॉइड देम. सोय मिल्क है, सोयाबीन है, सोया एनी फॉर्म. अगर वो प्रोसेस्ड है तो शायद इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं करेगा. बट अगर आप सोयाबीन खा रहे हो तो थोड़ा सा केयरफुल रहना, बिकॉज दैट ऑल्सो अफेक्ट्स. सो ये थोड़ी थोड़ी छोटी चीज़ें हैं जिनका आप ध्यान रख सकते हो. बट इफ़ यू हैव थायरॉयड इश्यूज, इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट टू कंसल्ट एन एंडोक्रिनोलॉजिस्ट and take medications for this.
So, Avi, I would like to take you, to the bodybuilding part, This is very interesting for our viewers. There are so many young people, students, or so many people out there who wants to build their body, who wants to look like actors,
Yes.
look like a model. So, what is that mantra, which you would like to give if somebody wants, and everyone wants result faster?
Agreed.
Yeah.
So the mantra is there is no shortcut to success.
Okay.
So there are people, that is why people fall prey to these steroids. और steroids से हम कितना भी wash out cycle करें, कितना भी ध्यान रखें, you are going to get some or the other side effect.
Yeah.
I recently lost one of my colleague. He was not even 30 and he passed away some days back.
Yeah.
The reason is unknown, but yes, he had taken a lot of steroid cycles. And I'm not talking about one person. There are so many such bodybuilders. And because I'm in the field, I am personally in touch with a lot of these people from the field. So it may not come out to the members or to general public, but behind the closed doors, in the pantry, what conversations go on, I am a witness to it. So I know what happens. They have to undergo surgeries. They have to take care of a lot of things. And then they regret, oh, मैंने ये नहीं किया होता. You know, when we say bodybuilding, it is a sport in itself, right? So a lot of hard work goes in. So a lot of respect to what hard work they put in. But I believe that अगर आप college student हो या office goer हो, you don't really need to aim a body like a bodybuilder because वो उनका profession है. Your profession is something else. But you want to look fit, you look good. Have some patience. Follow what your trainer is telling you in terms of workouts on the gym floor. Follow what your sports nutritionist is giving you in terms of diet. And have some patience. That's it.
Wow, that is basic information everyone should have. You know, no one is giving so much because everyone is there to sell the products, sell the services,
Yes.
and no one is focusing on these basics. You know?
Also, there are people, when it comes to selling, there are people who want to sell a lot of these foreign foods. We mentioned about it, right? I am a strong believer, you don't need to have oats for breakfast. You have dalia khichdi. Why are we moving out? Why do we want olive oil when your groundnut oil is also going to give you similar benefits?
Correct. What is your take on peanut butter?
Peanut butter is healthy. So there are a few Indian brands, you know, I really recommend those brands.
What do you think about Fitmo? You tried it?
I was coming to that.
I
I personally tried and I keep having that. You know, it's
Thank you.
the taste is good and it is the healthiest form of
थोड़ा प्रमोशन भी होना चाहिए
होना चाहिए।
पॉडकास्ट के बीच में. So again प्रमोशन की बात कर रहे हैं तो thank you so much Elite Supplement to giving this space for the podcast. We always wanted to do this podcast where fitness is connected. So that's why last podcast were in the gym. So this podcast in the supplement. I would like to do something on the ground or somewhere where sports happen.
Yeah.
So I would like to do that as well. So keep watching Unfiltered Fitness. Thank you so much, Shraddha.
My
It was great conversation. I personally loved the facts and the information which you have gave. And I am hoped all the viewers have liked the conversation and they got the information what they wanted. And keep watching Unfiltered Fitness. Thank you so much, Shraddha.
My pleasure.
Thanks.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.